So James, if I want to grow my manufacturing business, what do you recommend?
So to grow a manufacturing business, I'd look at several different types of marketing. The number one that I would look at is visiting fatrank.com. FatRank works with quite a lot of different manufacturing companies throughout the UK. And if you apply through the contact page and give all the information of what you're looking for leads on, they've got a no-risk supply of inquiries that you only pay on converted jobs. You've nothing to pay on any inquiries, any SEO or any PPC to the website. It's literally only on converted jobs that you pay. I'd say second would be SEO, search engine optimization, to your own website. So can you expand a little bit further of why SEO would be good for a manufacturing business to grow?
Yeah, so obviously if somebody is searching for a specific type of manufacturing, let's say it is, give me an example of a manufacturing type of business.
Could be manufacturing gym equipment.
Right, okay. Typically speaking, a lot of people would search for manufacturing gym equipment in Google, and if you're not ranking in the top 3 positions, you're not going to earn any money from your own dedicated website. So I would definitely be looking to build on the actual ranking higher. Also your personal branding, not just for example the director of the business, but also for your website, making certain that you've got case studies, making certain that you've got loads of reviews. If you can get video reviews, that can help as well. So doing all of that helps. One thing that I would say as well that I reckon would work in the manufacturing industry, and literally for the past 4 or 5 videos we've said it probably wouldn't work, is traditional advertising as well.
Yeah, traditional advertising could work well. So billboards, TV ads, radio ads, magazines especially. Getting your information in as many architectural, getting your name in front of as many different architects as you can so they can specify your products of what you manufacture. There's something else that with regards to when you look at any forms of marketing is trying to sit down and work out where you make the most profits. So if you're like a playground equipment manufacturer, probably the main 2 terms would be like play equipment suppliers, play equipment manufacturers. But it's trying to dig down further, and when you're making the equipment is, let's say you make trim trails, which is a type of equipment, going down the route of not just being too broad and saying playground equipment manufacturers, but trim trail manufacturers and stuff like that. So he's trying to dig down and see exactly where your profits are going to be there. And then you can then also potentially start looking at, if you know an exact product that you're good at manufacturing and making a lot of, and it's profitable, you could run down the PPC route as well. Mm-hmm. You ever thought of doing pay-per-click AdWords?
With PPC, my only issue is I've spent a lot of money on PPC, and it does get expensive, and it's also play to win. So as soon as you stop spending on PPC, that's almost it. So you need to continuously be spending. Whereas, for example, with FatRank, it's a lot more trusted. With PPC, sometimes you get what I like to call window shoppers. They're just inquiring with 3 different competitors, and they might not even ever end up going with you. And you might have spent £400 or £500 just on that one click, to then for it to not actually result in any income for your business. So that's my only concern. That being said, you can definitely get it to work as well.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, if you are a manufacturing company and you are looking to grow, PPC is very, very risky. I'd even go as far as saying that SEO is risky as well, in the fact that you won't get a quick return on investment. It's very good for branding and building your reputation and stuff online, where the FatRank lead generation model, you only pay on converted jobs. So it's completely risk-free on that front. But also another way of growing your manufacturing business could be social media. So trying to get lots of pictures of your warehouse, of where you manufacture, and videos of actually showing the equipment using that's manufacturing whatever products or whatever you're making, trying to get those being made into a nice video format and uploading it onto YouTube. Even things like nowadays like TikTok Definitely getting it onto LinkedIn, on Twitter, on Facebook, on Instagram. I love any of my companies to be omnipresent. So I definitely wouldn't say, even though I'd say by far the best way of growing your manufacturing company is trying to apply for the FatRank lead generation model, don't throw all your eggs in one basket. Try to be generating your own leads as well via SEO. Yeah. Try and generate, if you've found the winning keywords, try and do some PPC. Try to, potentially you could do some traditional marketing, social media, be consistent in posting on social media. And if you've got some great videos and you've got a winning product that's profitable, you could even run social media ads as well. There's lots of different ways that manufacturing companies could grow. It's just trying to see what would get the best bang for your buck on what you're spending.
I think one thing to consider for a manufacturing company, a close friend that we've actually got, he gets a lot of his stuff manufactured in China, and he's based in the UK. Now, he basically said that whenever he's actually vetting a factory to work with, he does a clothing brand, by the way, he actually looks at their social media presence to see what kind of equipment they actually use, what the environment's like, because he can tell, like, oh, okay, that machine over there, it's the 552, it's really good, prints off really nice designs, it's good high quality, stuff like that. So it saves him a trip to actually visit in China to then go and visit 4 or 5 different manufacturing factories. So yeah, I think video is quite a good, trustworthy tool for your brand. It might not get millions of views, but it can definitely help. For example, if you have a customer that's going and getting, let's say, two or 3 quotes, and they see that you have a really nice factory, you're using the top of the end actual manufacturing tools and stuff like that, that can win you the job.
The machinery is very important, and what people are using to make certain that the quality of the products of what they're making is great. So if you are a manufacturing company and you are looking to grow, for me personally, step number 1 would be go and inquire with fatrank.com. Go to the contact page, fill in all the details of what type of leads you would want to be doing. The second big part is SEO, making certain that you've got a good brand, reputation management online, making certain that if you are generating leads, that when people are Googling your name, your brand name and manufacturing company name, that it's full of positive 5-star reviews, testimonials, and you've got lots of case studies and videos so that the leads that's being generated are being converted into potential orders. So we hope you like the video of how to grow a manufacturing company. And anything else to add?
No, I think that's it. Everything that we spoke about with like FatRank and stuff, the link will be in the description. So make certain to head over there and fill out the form.